In this video, let's talk about another complex scenario. Okay, so this time, if I go to this online gift service or the offline gift service, let's make some changes over here in the constructor. So here I'm writing some key. So for example, during the registration of your service, I need this key. Consider this as a real world scenario. For example, you are working with some cloud applications or you are working with some SMS or email services. Over there, you will have to pass some keys for the production based on the environment. So for example, here we are having this key over here that based on that key, this service will work. Just like you always have a unique private key for some of your cloud services. And now I want to reuse that key over here. Maybe let's append it at this place like this. Okay. And I want to get this key from my app settings file. Let's use the same key in online service also. And here again, I can append that key. Now, if you will navigate to your program.cs class over here, you will notice that we are getting one error at this place. It means I will have to provide these keys from the configurations file. Let's do that. So this is my app settings file and here I'm writing. So I want to get this key from here. Now I have to pass those keys over here. So how do I get it? So what I'm doing over here is here I'm writing this where config like this. So remember, to get all the configurations in ASP.NET Core, we can use this IConfiguration interface. So you can simply inject this IConfiguration and you can get all your data from the configurations. So how do I get the key? Here I'm writing where key. We have written that in service settings and the key. So we can do that like this. And this key we can pass at this place like this. And like this. Okay, so what we are doing, we are making a registration a little bit complex, although I'm using some very basic examples over here, but now you have the full control on this factory registration over here. You can modify this change as per the need of your application. Basically, any kind of service that you want to use over here, you can get them by using this get services method, and you can implement or modify the logic as per your need. So let's stop it and run this application again. See how this will behave this time. The app is working over here. Refresh the page, click on this send gift, try it out, execute. See, the data has been done. If I click over here, try it out, click on this execute button, you will notice that in the service name we are getting this data as appended. How we are getting it? We are getting it because at this place we are receiving this key from the app settings file and we are passing it over here. I hope you are getting the concepts, and now you can register all your services even if they are very complex to use. That is all in this video. Thank you for watching.